Let's explore public speaking and how it can help you get more customers. Public speaking. Speak your passion. Schedule public speaking engagements. Consider giving speeches at public events, local libraries, or Chamber of Commerce meetings. Share your journey, expertise, and enthusiasm. Your audience might become your next loyal customers, inspired by your story. Selecting engaging topics. To find great topics for your speeches, start by considering your expertise and passions. Choose subjects that genuinely interest you and align with your business. This enthusiasm will come through in your presentation and engage your audience. I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Maya Angelou. Do some market research to identify topics that are relevant and valuable to your target audience. Understanding their needs and interests can help you tailor your speeches to address their pain points and provide solutions. Every time you give a talk, notice the questions your audience asks you afterward. That will give you a clue as to what you can focus on for your next talk. Leverage Toastmasters International. Toastmasters International is an excellent organization that can help you hone your public speaking skills. Joining a local Toastmasters club offers a supportive environment where you can practice and receive feedback from experienced speakers. Record your public speaking engagements so you can share 30-second clips on TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, and other social media channels. This will give you more credibility and help people feel comfortable with doing business with you. You can find the link to download our new book Loving My Side Hustle in the description below. It will help you learn how to start your business, find customers, and create a life you live on your own terms. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel to get more ideas to help you create a business and a life that you love and get your financial freedom.